Emma loves her dog Max. One day, Max disappears in the park. Where is Max? It is a sunny day. Emma goes to the park. Her dog Max runs happily. Max loves the park. He runs on the grass. He chases butterflies. Emma laughs and claps. Suddenly, Max runs behind a tree. Emma waits. She waits and waits, but Max does not come back. Emma looks around the park. She calls loudly, "Max! Max! Where are you?" No answer. Emma feels scared. She walks near the lake. She looks behind the trees. She looks near the bench. Still no Max. Then Emma sees a small boy. The boy points to the hill. Emma runs to the hill. Behind the hill, she sees something. A brown tail moves. "Max!" Emma shouts. Max runs to Emma. He jumps happily. Emma hugs Max. She smiles again. "Do not run away again, Max." Max wags his tail. It is a happy day again.